Meet Muku. This is Muku. This is the fourth baby. And today he or she is about 17 days old. Muku is so cute. Hi Muku. Hello. Hello Muku. You're so cute. Let's put you down here. Hi. It's standing. Oh. What a cutie patootie. Hi Muku. How are you doing? He has a bit of dirt on his head.